students of Lyceum of the Philippines, University, Manila.
Today we are at Manila Zoo. Manila Zoo is one of the most famous visited places in the city of Manila.
And do you know that Manila Zoo is located at Adriatico Street, Malate, Manila?
And for now, our topic is biodiversity.
Francine, what is biodiversity?
Biodiversity, short for biological diversity, is the variety of all living things and their interaction. Biodiversity changes over time as extinction occurs and new species evolve. Scientists often speak of three levels of diversity: species, genetic, and ecosystem diversity.
The importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is essential for the process that support all life on Earth, including humans. Without a wide range of animals, plants, and microorganisms, we cannot have the healthy ecosystem that we rely to provide us with the air we breathe, the food we eat, and people also value nature itself.
Advantage: biodiversity supports habitats for all species by providing many unique environments in which species can exist. This includes ecosystems of all types and sizes, rare ecosystems, and corridors between habitats. Disadvantage: biodiversity loss can have significant direct human health impact if ecosystem services are no longer adequate to meet social needs. Indirectly, changes in ecosystem services affect livelihoods, income, local migration, and on occasion may even cause or exacerbate political conflict.
How to support biodiversity? First, support local farms. Regularly buying from small local farmers at stands or markets helps to keep dollars in the local economy and support its agricultural efforts to conserve the biodiversity. Number 2, save the bees. Bees are important to preserving biodiversity and they are increasingly under attack from various mites. You can help save them by planting nectar-producing wildflowers in your backyard or even building these boxes for local bees to call home. Third, plant local flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Research the flora, fruits, and veggies native to your area and plant a variety in your backyard or hanging garden.
Number 4, take shorter shower. Taking 5-minute shower and turning the water off while washing your hands, doing the dishes, or brushing your teeth are all easy way to conserve water. Number 5, respect local habitats. Plants growing in the park and nature preserve near you often play an important role in preserving the local ecosystem. Lastly, know the source. Check the products you buy and the companies you support to ensure that your buying habitats are not contributing destruction of habitat elsewhere.
A mammal is a vertebrate animal of the class Mammalia. Mammals are characterized by the presence of the milk-producing mammary glands for feeding their young, a neocortex region of the brain, fur or hair, and the 3 middle ear bones.
Mammals are among the most intelligent of all living creatures. There are over 4,000 different types of mammals. You see, mammals are very diverse. There are mammals that live above ground, mammals that can fly, mammals that live below ground, and mammals that live underwater. Mammals can live in locations of both warm temperatures and cold temperatures. Here's a good example. Camels can survive in the dry, hot desert, while polar bears can live near the cold polar regions of the Earth. The blue whale, which is a mammal, is the largest animal on Earth. The bull elephant, which is also a mammal, is the largest animal living on land. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Their body temperature remains about the same their entire lives. Most mammals give birth to their young. However, there are 2 mammals that lay eggs, and that is the spiny anteater and the duck-billed platypus. Most mammals are helpless when they are babies. Adult mammals protect and help care for babies until they can survive on their own. The mammal most famous for caring for their babies is the mother kangaroo, who carries their babies in their pouch until they are about 1 year old. Mammals like mice only care for their young for about 1 month.
Number 1 mammal is the Patria leo African lion. The lion is a large cat of the genus Patria native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, broad-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and hairy tuft at the ends of its tail. It is sexually dimorphic. Adult male lions are larger than females and have a prominent mane. The number 2 on the list is the Elephas maximum Asian elephant. The Asia elephant, also known as the Asiatic elephant, it is only living species of the genus Elephas. It is distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, from India in the west, Nepal in the north, Sumatra in the south, and the Borneo in the east.
Elephants are large and majestic, but the extent of their size and intelligence may surprise you. Elephants are the largest living land animal.
Is the Tigris Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger is a population of the Patria tigris subspecies and the nominate tiger subspecies. It ranks among the biggest wild cats alive today. It is considered to belong to the world's charismatic megafauna. First, the Equus cabellus and the Equus porcelli antiquarium hebra, the horse. The horse is domesticated one-toe-hoof mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic family Etiquette and is one of the extant subspecies of the Equus virus.
Ecosystem.
Everything in nature is interconnected. An ecosystem is a population of living and non-living organisms that coexist. Ecosystems are not defined by their size. An ecosystem can range in size from a desert to a lake to a tree or a puddle. A terrarium is an example of an artificial ecosystem. Water temperature, plants, animals, air, light, and soil all interact with one another. Plants will die if there is insufficient light or water, or if the soil lacks the necessary nutrients. Animals that rely on plants will perish if they die. If the animals that rely on the plants perish, so will any animals that rely on those animals. Natural ecosystems function in the same way.
An ecosystem is a community of organisms along with the non-living components in the environment. Living things such as humans, animals, plants, and microorganisms live in an ecosystem. Aside from living things, non-living things exist in an ecosystem. Water, gas, sunlight, temperature, soil, and other non-living or abiotic components are present in the ecosystem. There are two types of ecosystem. The first one is a terrestrial ecosystem. This ecosystem can be found on land. Some of these terrestrial ecosystems are forests, grasslands, deserts, and taigas. Some ecosystems are found in water. Such type of ecosystem is called aquatic ecosystem. An aquatic ecosystem can be a marine or a freshwater ecosystem. A marine ecosystem has salt water. It includes seas and oceans. Rivers, ponds, lakes, and streams are usually freshwater ecosystems because the water in them are not made up of salt water.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope you learned something from us.